Okay, I've been eating nothing but beef, bacon, butter, eggs for almost 2 months. Seeing great results. It's working good. I like it. And the best part is this right here. This is all the food I'm going to eat pretty much all week. Well, plus some more eggs. But this is about it. Maybe some more butter. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I cook all my food so that it can all go in a lunchbox. I only eat one meal a day. And I'm gone for 12 hours. I don't really have time every night to cook my food up. So I like to cook it all at once on the weekend, one day, a few hours throughout the day. It'll take some time. Anyway, if you're curious, this is how I do it. So, first thing we're gonna do is drop the meat in a sous vide water bath and let it start going for a couple of hours, maybe 3, I don't know, whenever I get around to it. Okay, couldn't be simpler. Got my water going. It's about 129 degrees. Got my ribeyes. I'll put a grate down the bottom just so they don't fall against the bottom. I just took a cooler, those in there. Couple T-bones. There's two ribeyes, bone in. I like the bone. Put another one here, just keep everybody separated. You gotta keep it separated. And the last one. And we go. Make sure everybody's down for the count. Don't want anybody floating up. Then it's just, I just put a cookie sheet on there, put a deal on that, check the time. Oh, that's easy math, it's about 9 o'clock. So I'm going to just going to let it go for 3 hours. Maybe 2. All right, we'll check back. And okay, the bacon cooking could not be easier. Here's like over a pound and a half of bacon, one sheet, one shot, and we'll be done. So I'm gonna start laying out this bacon. I just go ahead and just grab the whole wad of it, throw it in there, and then I'm gonna just spread it, lay it out in the pan. All right. All right, now I'll just go on out and put it on the grill. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, grill's out. Let's turn it on. Turn on 3 of the burners and then turn them all the way down to low. Didn't preheat or anything. I'm just gonna throw that in there and close it up. Go, and we'll check on it. Yeah, 20-30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. All right, well, that's good to go. Okay, I pulled the bacon off the grill. We're gonna let it cool a little bit and we'll bag it up, put it in the refrigerator, and that'll be that. I still have some left over from last week because I cooked a couple more pounds, but now I'm just gonna move on to the eggs. Okay, now all I gotta do basically is cook the eggs. And this is one of my, one thing that saved me a lot of time. Is I could use a big old skillet, but I couldn't only get like really a dozen eggs or a little bit more. I have to cook them several batches. And then I portion it out always was a problem. So now I have moved into using a casserole dish, all buttered. I melt a bunch, let me get that out. Melt a bunch of butter. Mix it all up in one bowl. Pour it in the casserole dish, bake it in the oven, and then cut it up because I'll be making 5 portions. So 6 eggs equivalent per deal, and bake it off. So here we go. Okay, step 1. Get some butter out. I use 4 sticks for this batch. Seems to be working out okay. Thought about bumping it up, but it doesn't all stay. I have to chill it down before I can portion it out. So I am going to butter my dish. All right, I'm gonna melt this butter. Okay, I've got my melted butter. All right, now I just have to crack up some eggs. Alright, time to add. There's like 18 grams of salt. And let's incorporate the butter. I think that's good. Okay. Now, last time I did this, I spilt it, so this is the 3rd time I've done this, so I'm hoping I'm getting it down. All right, that looks good. All right. Okay, the eggs are in the oven. 20 minutes at 250, and we'll give it a check here in a little bit. Okay, it's been almost 20 minutes, and we're gonna just check on the eggs. Like I said, I'm still learning how to do this. Give them a good little stir. I think that stirring them really helps. So it's already starting to crust up on top. Get the edges. All right, looking good. Make sure that butter stays all incorporated. Back in you go, guys. Okay, it's been about over 2.5 hours. I'm gonna call the steaks done. Yeah, Unplug the sous vide. All right. Now I'm just gonna pull everybody out. Let them drain. All right, I'm gonna go stick them out in the other fridge and get them to cool off. Okay, I'm calling it, and I'm pulling the eggs out. I stirred them a couple of times, and I think they've set up pretty good. Yes, sirree. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with some foil and let it carry over cook for a little bit. And then I will put them out in the fridge to let them firm up completely so that I can cut it and portion it out. It's hot. Trivet, put the fan on it, help cool it off. Okay, so next will be building my lunch. Okay, so it's late in the afternoon, and I let everything cool off. I pulled out a T-bone steak, got a portion of eggs. I'm going to put in my little container, packaged up the other 4, so the next 4 days or 5 days I'll just grab a package of eggs, throw it in the container with some meat. But let's go take care of this piece of meat and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, it's pretty simple, it shouldn't take too long. I just put it out here on my grill. I could fire it up, but it's almost easier this way, and it's easier to control how well it's done. And I can concentrate on the edges. All right. And that is that. One seared steak. All right, that's about as manly as you can get. Okay. Bone. Alright. Save that dude for later, and then we'll just cut this sucker up. Boy, see, that's how the meat comes out. Just perfect. I could have cooked it a little bit cooler, but it'll be fine. I like to pre-cut it all up into little bites, and I just throw it in my lunch box. Could have used a fancier knife, but this one was right here, so that's what I used. All right. Okay, so that's 6 days worth of food I cooked, and it's all ready to go. I got my little, put it in the electric lunchbox, and it'll have it warmed up for me when I eat lunch about noon o'clock every day. But that's how I do it. So I bang it all out. If I really stay on everything, if I plan it out perfect and wasn't doing this, shooting a video, I can get it done in 3 hours, pretty much. So that's pretty good. And so anyway, that's that. Use what you can or whatever. It's also for me just to see how I'm doing things now and what I'll be doing it like in the future. So adios.